Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Tri-State EDC. I got a big box. I got a big one. Big old freaking white block of knives. It feels like about 5 pounds or so. From Michael McLaughlin. Mike, what have you done, my boy? Michael, what have you done? We gotta get in here. We gotta find out what the hell's going on, because I don't know. He doesn't tell me anything. Let's get in there together right now. That's right, Michael. You dirty dog. We're gonna use my knife just cuz. Mike, you should be honored. It's got a fresh edge on it. Oh, it's just buttery smooth, dude. Whoops. Whoopsie. Whoops. Cuts like a dream. The Tri-Stash, if you missed it, sorry. There might be a drop, there might not be. We have memes. We've got memes. 15K giveaway. The Kubeys are brand new. The others are Blade Binge purchases, but are in excellent condition. Mike, we're getting close to 15K. So that, oh Jesus. Oh God. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. We got an Orion. We got a freaking nice booth. Matsy, the Matsy, right? We got a freaking Jack Wolf. We got Monterey Bay. We got Kubey. We got a Kubey. Unloved in theirs, eh? Lord Jehovah, I am not emotionally prepared. I do have goosebumps, though. I love giveaway stuff. Gets me all jacked, dude. God, let's start with the Monterey in the sack. Ooh. Oh, is this just the budget? Yeah, dude, the budget old guard, right? Yeah, love this. Future Me 14C on the blade, G10. These look like they've been writ dyed. Stainless liner lock, banging knife. I've given one of these away before, and I just love it. I just love it. D10's not going to rock your world, but the action's so nice. I believe it's on washers. Pretty sure it's washers. Dude, silky smooth. Wire deep carry clip. Non-reversible, but get over yourself. Torx bits hardware. Torx bits. Torx hardware. Love this thing. Love this thing. Hell yeah. The budget old guard G10 14C. Big fan. Big fan. We're just going to work our way up in price. Let's start with the Kubes. Let's get the Kubes in the action here. Oh, it's a Piss Tityus. Oh my God. Why is it that Mike always sends me stuff that I don't have and yet that I want? Why, Michael? Yeah, Tityus, one of my all-time favorite Kubeys. Probably still, like, the most popular Kubey ever, which is crazy because they've released a mountain of knives over the past few years. This is excellent. That textured Ultim. Black liner, stainless. Action's incredible. Big broad blade, D2. Ergos are incredible. Huge finger choil, choke up. Pinch grip all day. God, this knife's so good. Lockups, money, really tall flat grind, killer cutting performance. D10's incredible. Incredible reverse flick. Yeah. Thumb flick. Yeah. Sign me up. Is this dim? No, it's not. It's all the way out. Oh, it's all the way up. Okay, anyway. Yeah, the Kubey Tityus. I love it. Links to this down below. Links to the Monterey Bay Old Guard. Links to everything will be down below. So hit it. Hit it and quit it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I love this. I love this. I gotta get me I have a Tityus from one of the very first runs they did. Just black on black. G10 D2. Damn, girl, that's a good knife. God, that's a good one. Another Kubey. What we got? More Ultim. Ooh. KU324H Amber Ultim. Future Me! What is that? What is this? Again, textured Ultim. Scales, stainless liners. Front flipper, really fine-tooth jimping. I love to see that. Big old flicking hole. Deep carry clip that is reversible. Beautiful blade. Nice tall flat grind. 14C on the blade. Hello? Mommy? Oh, action's butter. Reverse flick. Not the snappiest detent. Ooh, front flipper works great. Thumb flick. Yeah. Dude, Kubey makes such a good knife. At such a crazy great price. Damn. Future me, I need details on this guy. KU324, no idea. No idea. Very, very good. I love the radial, like the radial pattern they did in the Ultim. That's a nice touch. I like the way that looks a lot. Oh. Okay. Gonna give that away. We're just gonna give away all the cool stuff that I want. Bigger knife. Pretty big knife. Orion Knives Solaris. I reviewed this a while ago, and I'm pretty sure I've given one away. Great knife. Kind of slept on, man. Kind of a slept on budget knife. It's a stainless frame lock? Or titanium? Hello? Stainless. 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 Sorry, the coating was throwing me off. Look at this thing. The old banana knife, dude. It's got that banana curvature going on. And I dig it. Hollow ground, 14C, 28 in on the blade. Love this blade shape. Warny. I'm going to call it a warny. Kind of a reverse Tonto warny situation going on. It's kind of like a sub-frame lock. But functionally, it is a frame lock. And it is damn good. Thumb flick, money, reverse flick, killer. And we have a flipper tab. Not the best, but God, it works. Makes a great noise, too. Yeah. The Cetus, Orion Knives, made by QSP, I think. Deep carry clip on that one as well. Lord, is this the Striga? Is this the Monterey Striga? My favorite tiny chode? It is! Oh. Strive for a better version of yourself every day. Jesus. Who needs a therapist when you have pocket knives? Yeah, the Monterey Striga, made by Bestech. Titanium bolster lock. Micarta on this one. Titanium pocket clip. Look at this thing. Oh! Look at this thing, dude! Frame lock. M390, I believe. Not the cheapest knife ever, but if you need a tiny little secondary carry, but you want something a little classy, you want a little chode that, you know, you can class up, dress it down, the Striga is basically impossible to beat in this size category. I just love it. Really tall flat grind on that warny cleaver thing going on. It's just like a pimped out box cutter, and I adore it. I just adore this knife. Action's great on bearings. Reverse flick. Super snappy detent. Like, no complaints. Carries well. It's kind of thick. Kind of a chonker, you know what I mean? But it's so good. I don't care. I own one of these, and I love it, and I carry it all the time. The Striga. Again, links to all this will be down below, and we'll also be giving all this away if we ever get to 15K. So buckle up. Last, but very much not least, a friggin' Jack Wolf. Michael spoils us. Cyborg Jack. I have not checked this one out. I love his packaging. The tube. The almighty tube. The crazy artwork. Open her up. We got the big old pink cloth. Comes with a leather slip. Comes with stickers as well. Comes with a pog. Name another knife that comes with a pog. I dare you. You can't. It's a pretty dirty sack. You know what I'm saying? The Cyborg Jack. Oh, yeah. Micarta. Full titanium build. Micarta inlays. That is a thing of beauty, dude. Beautiful. God, killer pull on these. Beautiful half stop. Look at that blade. I don't even know what to call this. Clip point, I guess? Technically, hollow ground. M390, so this is one of the old school versions. He's switched over to S90V. I have a couple in M390 and a couple in S90V, and I love them all. So this is old school, man. You can't even buy these anymore. Yeah, okay. Not my favorite blade shape. I'm a Warney sheepsfoot guy, but that is beautiful. Somehow modern and yet oh so old school. Dude, action's amazing. Crispy half stop. Really nice pull, like a 7 or an 8 out of 9. Endlessly satisfying. Cyborg Jack. Okay. Yeah. All right. All right, dog. Well, you all are getting spoiled by Mike, so you need to give him a shout out in the comments, because this is crazy. This is crazy. Got a couple of Ultim Kubeys. Got the Striga. Got the frickin' Cetus. Got the MBK. Spoiled. Spoiled rotten by that man. You gotta start calling him daddy from now on. Jesus. But that is it. Links to all this down below. You know, I'm not gonna break down. I've reviewed most of these. I've reviewed these 3. I've reviewed this. These 2 I haven't. You know, maybe I'll do a full video on them at a later date. Maybe not. We'll talk about it on live streams. But like the video, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Become a channel member, Patreon member. Help keep the lights on. Hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. I'm out there. That is it. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, Mike, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.